Hi everyone, today we are going to continue with exercise 14.5. Starting with question number 8 and 9, only 2 questions left, so let us try to finish these 2 questions within this class. Number 8, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Steps of constructions. Steps of constructions. Number 1 is draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So with our compass we will measure 4 centimeter four centimeter. 4 tak hiang ka compass in ka point ang I will point on 4 with my compass and expand up to 0 with this. Without changing the compass, I will draw a circle. So we will have a circle of radius 4 centimeter. It's a big one. This is the center. Okay. Now draw any two of its chord. Chord means drawing a line on its surface. Let me draw one chord over here and one chord over here. Oh, maybe it's better I write here, okay? Chord. Circle asir le lam tantlang a line kalka. It is a chord. Now construct the perpendicular bisector of these two chords. Let's write this chord B, AB, this chord B, suppose PQ, okay? Now we already know how to draw a perpendicular bisector. Before that, draw a chord AB and PQ. Now we are going to bisect this AB and PQ. I'm taking more than half of the length of AB and drawing an arc upside down. Ka pencil abunga, so I have to rearrange it. Okay. So how much radius do I take? At this length, okay. And from A, I will cut the same arc. Likewise, I will take more than half of the length of PQ, draw an arc upside and downside. So I will join these two arcs. Make a long one. And here also I have perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now, katizot siya takay ni. Draw perpendicular bisector of AB and PQ. Join the two perpendicular bisector. Can join na tara. Bisector. What do we see? Enge kan hule. Where do they meet? They meet at the center of the circle, isn't it? Then the two perpendicular meet at the center of the circle. Even if I have more than two chords, suppose I'm having another chord here or over here, the perpendicular bisector will still touches the center of the circle. Next question. Steps of construction. Number 1, draw any angle with vertex O. Draw any angle with vertex O. Vertex means the pointed one of the angle mo. And tirnan hello mangta ila, or suppose this one can set square. If you do not have your set square, it's alright. You take any angle, okay? Hehi mil takin hehi kadaanga hemi angle hi kamangang all samnan. Vertex O means the pointed one is O. What does the question say? Take a point A on one of its arm and B on the other such that OA equals to OB. OA, OB ay insanin kaladon. Suppose if I am taking OA equals to 4 and tirnan OA hi 4 kalaksuan. Here will be A. B po, OB po 4 laktur. At yani. If I'm taking this OA is 5, then I will take OB also 5. But now I'm taking A as 4, so I will take OB as well 4. Now draw the perpendicular bisector. But before that, let us write the steps. Number 2, take a point A on one of its arm and B on another such that OA equals OB. Here we are taking 4 centimeter. Now draw perpendicular bisector of OA and OB. Draw perpendicular bisector of OA and OB. We already know how to take a perpendicular bisector. We are taking more than half of the length. Draw more than half of the length, cutting upside and downside. And from the other side of the line, we do as the same. First, let me join this one. This line, okay? Now I am going to take perpendicular bisector of the line OA, cutting upside and downside, and from another side of the line I will draw an arc again. Now where do they meet? Where do they intersect? Let them meet at P. Let's say this as P. Draw perpendicular bisector of OA and OB meeting at P. Now what shall we do? Is PA equals to PB? Now let us join PA and PB and measure it. PA exactly nita. I have PA equals 2.3. What about PB? PB is also 2.3. They are equal. PA equals PB. That's it. Okay, that's all for today. Next class we will be going on with next exercise, which will be exercise 14.6. So today we have finished exercise 14.5. You have to copy it down in your exercise book again. That's all for today. Thank you, class.